good morning. You might be wondering where am I right now or where we are right now. Apparently we found this little cute village in Orford. It's really serene in here. It's really quiet. Look at that. I don't know if it's a private area, but it's really nice. Probably too. It's nice to fly drone here, but I don't know if it's a private area. It's really nice. Alright, next stop, Sleepy Bay. We indeed pamper ourselves when we visited Sleeping Bay. Freycinet National Park squeezes between Launceston and Hobart in about 2.5 hours of travel. Sleepy Bay is one of the many short walks that can be found in Freycinet National Park. If you saw my previous vlog about Honeymoon Bay, this is as comparable in terms of beauty and serenity. The colors of the rock and the blue water makes your heart pump of joy. Run clean. So we're here in Sleepy Beach. Woo, it's nice in here. Look at that. Okay. So if you decided to come to Freycinet National Park, apart from enjoying the view of Honeymoon Bay and challenging your adrenaline on Mount Amos hike, look no further but pamper yourself to this very, very relaxing bay. Hi. Video money. So we're here in Sleepy Bay, and as you can see, it's really nice. It's orange lichen colored rocks, and it's very quiet in here. The weather is really good, and so I advise you to, if you go to Freycinet National Park, this is one of the destinations that you can go, and it's a 20-minute walk as well from the car park going here. And if you decided to take a photo, this is one of the Instagrammable places that you can visit or you can have. It's good for the family. Amazing.
Ma? Ma?
Sleepy Bay is part of Freycinet National Park, located on the east coast of Tasmania. If you want a piece of ultimate relaxing afternoon with an incredible coastal view, then this is a place for you. Apart from this world-class view, we indeed took this opportunity to engage in activities available at the national park, from hiking, engage in short walks, kayaking, or you can do diving in the near areas. It was an amazing experience, and make sure to subscribe to get updated on more videos to come. Look at the sun. Hawaii. Yeah, it's actually a combination of pretty much everything. Two, three, go. Three, go. That's so simple. Getting tiring, but exciting. You can see the blue water here. Oh, look at that! Look at the color. You got orange and blue. Ooh. It's amazing, isn't it? Thing.